how to cancel Lyft Pink on Lyft. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can cancel Lyft Pink on your Lyft app. Okay, the first thing I want you to notice that Lyft Pink is Lyft Pink. It is called Lyft Pink membership in full. Okay, so Lyft Pink membership is a kind of membership on the Lyft app to give you, which is meant to give you a VIP treatment. Okay, as a Lyft Pink member, you have access to VIP to ride on VIPs almost every time, and also you also have access to getting a faster ride unlike a regular member. Note that as a to get the Lyft Pink membership is not for free. You pay a minimum of $9.99 annually. Note that this is a minimum. It can be more than that. So if you are a Lyft Pink member and then you want to cancel your membership, it's very simple. The first thing to do is to open the app like I have done here. And once you open the app, by the at the top left corner of the screen, you click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Once you click on it, the main menu will be displayed. And note that this Lyft Pink membership is not a feature that is available in every country. There are some countries where it is available and there are some countries which it is not. For example, the country where I am based, the Lyft Pink membership is not available. That is why you can't find it on my menu tab. All right, but for you, it will definitely be on your menu tab since you are a Lyft Pink member. So all you need to do is to select Lyft Pink on the menu tab. Once you select it, you would see pause or cancel Lyft Pink membership. Click on pause on cancel Lyft Pink membership. Once you click on it, your Lyft Pink membership will be cancelled automatically. So if you have maybe you tried it and then it didn't work, just reach out to the customer care by clicking on the help option located underneath the donate option on the menu tab. Lodge your complaint and after that you'll be attended to. So this is how to cancel your Lyft Pink membership on the Lyft app. So thanks for watching.